Hello and good day, dear students. I am Amir Hafiz Malik. I hope you all will be fine. Writing skill is the most important as well as a complex skill, and whenever we are involved in writing skill, we have to take care of certain structures and concepts so that we can apply writing skills successfully in our academic careers. Today, our topic is paragraph writing. We will be discussing the definition of paragraph, and in light of that definition we'll be explaining the complete concept of paragraph. And I hope with this lecture you will be able to grasp the concept and definition of paragraph as well as the explanation, and you will be very easily able to recognize what is a paragraph, and you will be able to write a very good paragraph. So get ready for this lecture. Let's go with definition of a paragraph. A paragraph is a group of connected sentences about a single topic. Looking at the definition, once we come to explanation, we find two major points in this definition. Number one, group of connected sentences. Now understand what we are saying. We are using two keywords. Number one is group and number two, connected. Group means that a paragraph is a combination of more than one sentence. It is said that normally a paragraph is a very short paragraph is a combination of 5 sentences. So it makes it a group. But yes, it can be of 10 sentences, 15 sentences and 20 sentences as well. So once we say that paragraph is a group of sentences, we mean that it involves many sentences in it. It also means that a paragraph is not one sentence based activity, rather it is a combination of many sentences. That means from 5 to 10 sentences. Number two keyword was connected sentences. Yes, this is highly important. A paragraph is paragraph because of the connected sentences. In order to understand this concept, we have to go to the opposite word. Connected, unconnected, not connected. So connected sentences are linked sentences. That means that one sentence is related to the next and to the next and to the next and to the next. If the sentences are not connected, it means that one sentence is different in topic from the second and third and fourth and fifth. For example, if I say I love Pakistan, this is the country of my forefathers, I have been born here. So these three are connected sentences. But if I say I live in Multan, you play football, they are from Karachi. Now these three sentences are absolutely disconnected or not connected. One sentence is saying one thing, the other is saying another, and the another is saying another. I hope you have understood the difference between the connected sentences and the unconnected sentences or the disconnected sentences. In a paragraph, you are bound to write connected sentences. If your sentences are not connected with each other, you are not a good paragraph writer. Point number two is single topic. Now this is very important. Single means one. So in a paragraph, as a learner, you have to deal with one topic only. So one paragraph is one topic. You cannot mix up many topics in it. Sometimes it happens that sometimes students talk about different aspects of one thing. Now that is not good in paragraph writing. That is possible in essay writing, but that is not possible in paragraph writing. You have to take one aspect. For example, the causes of pollution. For example, the solution of unemployment. For example, the role of media for the youth. So if your topic is one, your connected sentences are easy to create. If your topics are many, you are involving many aspects of one topic, so that means your topic is not one, it is not single. So be very clear, once you attempt a paragraph, you have to focus on one topic. It should not be more than one topic. It should not involve two topics or three topics at a time. Rather, one paragraph should contain one topic only. I hope the concept is clear to you. Explanation of definition of paragraph gives us two major points: that a paragraph is a group of connected sentences and about a single topic. So we have to write connected sentences, the linked sentences together, and number two, we have to focus on single topic only. A paragraph should not be a combination of 2, 3, 4, 5 topics at a time. So one paragraph should be one topic based activity. Now let's move to another very important point in a paragraph. We said two important things earlier, and third one is sentences. So very simply we can say that if there are no sentences, there is not going to be any paragraph. So paragraph is a combination of, it's a group of sentences. So we need sentences to create a paragraph. Without sentences, it is not possible for us to create a paragraph. So in a paragraph, basically there are two types of sentences. Number one is called topic sentence, and number two, these are called supporting sentences. And in supporting sentences, we also involve the concluding statement as well. First of all, let's talk about the topic sentence. This is simply the opening sentence of a paragraph, and it contains the main idea. The main idea in a single sentence is the theme or the central idea or the controlling idea, and that is expressed through a topic sentence. So topic sentence is usually the first sentence of the paragraph, and it tells us about the topic. Number two, supporting sentences. Now the role of supporting sentences in paragraph is that they describe the details, they explain the topic. I hope that with the definition of paragraph you would have understood it completely, that a paragraph is a group of connected sentences about a single topic. Yes, you have to focus on number one, choosing single topic, number two, creating some sentences which are going to be 5 sentences or 10 sentences or 15 sentences. That depends on the activity. And finally, you know what types of sentences are involved in it. They should be number one, connected sentences, and number two, a paragraph needs to have a topic sentence and supporting sentences, and supporting sentences do have the concluding sentence in it as well. So आज हमने पैराग्राफ की डेफिनेशन पढ़ी और हमने इस डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से 3 अहम नुकात जो हैं वो उन पर फोकस किया। पहला, ग्रुप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस। यस, अ पैराग्राफ, जी हाँ, एक पैराग्राफ जो है वो सेंटेंसेस का मजमूआ होता है, जिससे मुराद ये है कि एक पैराग्राफ में सिर्फ एक सेंटेंस नहीं होता बल्कि 2, 4, 5, 10, और कहा जाता है कि एक शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ के अंदर कम से कम 5 सेंटेंसेस ज़रूर होते हैं, और फिर ये 10 भी हो सकते हैं और ये 15 भी हो सकते हैं। डिपेंड करता है कि आपकी एक्टिविटी क्या है, आपकी लिमिट क्या है। नंबर 2, हमने देखा कि कनेक्टेड सेंटेंसेस, जी हाँ, सेंटेंसेस लिंक्ड होने चाहिए, एक चेन की तरह होने चाहिए, और मैंने मिसाल से आपको समझा दिया। अगर आप सेंटेंसेस को लिंक्ड, जॉइंट, कनेक्टेड कहेंगे तो वो एक टॉपिक के मुतालिक होंगे, और अगर आप सेंटेंसेस को अनकनेक्टेड या डिसकनेक्टेड कर देंगे तो फिर आपके सेंटेंसेस मुख्तलिफ हो जाएंगे। जैसे एक जुमला आपका बारिश के मुतालिक होगा, एक क्रिकेट के मुतालिक होगा, और एक जो है वो आपकी पसंद नापसंद के बारे में होगा। तो यूँ इस तरह से आपके सेंटेंसेस कनेक्टेड नहीं रहेंगे। फाइनली हमने सेंटेंस की टाइप्स देखी थी, और 2 तरह के मेन सेंटेंसेस हमने लिए। एक टॉपिक सेंटेंस जिसमें मेन आइडिया होता है, यानी थीम होता है, मेरा किसी ख्याल होता है इसके अंदर, और दूसरी टाइप के सेंटेंसेस को हम सपोर्टिंग सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं, जिनमें तफसील होती है, वजाहत होती है, और इनसे पैराग्राफ की बॉडी जो है वो बनती है, और उसमें आप वजाहत के साथ साथ मैंने ये भी बता दिया आपको कि सपोर्टिंग सेंटेंसेस का जो आखिरी सेंटेंस होता है उसे हम कंक्लूडिंग सेंटेंस भी कहते हैं। I hope you would have enjoyed this lecture. If you have any queries, you can find me on YouTube. My channel is Amir Smart Ideas. Enjoy your lectures. Thank you very much.